In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable phone number to your page using a text box. Whether you're creating a personal portfolio, a business site, or just want an easy way for visitors to reach you, adding a direct phone link can be a fantastic touch. So stick with me and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, let's start by adding a text box to your page. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several options. What you want to do is look for the Add button. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. A list of elements you can add to your page will pop up. From this list, select Text. This action will place a new text box onto your page, which you can then move and adjust according to your design needs. Now that you've got your text box, it's time to edit the text inside it. Click directly on the text box you just added. A cursor will appear, allowing you to input whatever text you'd like. This is where you should type in your phone number. If you prefer, you can format it in a way that's easy to read for your visitors, like including dashes or spaces. Take your time to make sure this is correct, as getting the wrong number here would mean people won't be able to contact you correctly. Once you've typed in your phone number, the next step is to highlight the text you just entered. Click and drag your cursor over the number until it's fully selected, similar to how you would highlight text in a word processor. Highlighting it will make it available for the next step in the editing process. With the phone number highlighted, look for the link icon in the editor menu. This usually looks like a small chain link or two connected rings. Clicking on this icon will bring up a pop-up window where we'll turn that number into a clickable link. In the pop-up window, you'll see a few options for the types of links you can create. You want to select phone number from the list on the left side of the window. Once selected, you'll be prompted to type in your phone number again. Be sure to include the country code if it's necessary for your location. Double-check everything to ensure there are no mistakes. Finally, once your phone number is correctly entered and you're satisfied with the details, click Done to create the clickable link. And there you go. You now have a text box with a phone number that visitors can click on to call you directly. It's a simple feature that adds a lot of convenience for your site visitors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.